Hello everyone, you're welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a peplum and how to manage your fabric for cutting it.
So how do you fold your fabric? I'm going to be using this paper as an example. I am supposed to use the fabric, but I just want to use this paper so that I can keep this pattern and use it for, when next I want to cut another peplum for a waist of 36 inches. So that is why I am using this pattern paper. So how do you fold your fabric so that you will not waste enough material? Now your waist is, let's say for this tutorial now, I'm using a waist of 36 inches. You're going to get the length of your waist measurement, let's say 36 inches. This pattern paper now is a length of 36 inches. Now the width also is a width of 36 inches. I have 18 inches here. Unfold is 18 inches. When I open it up, it's also 36 inches. Do you understand? It is being folded into two. So when I fold it like this, from here to here is 18 inches, but when you open it, it is 36 inches. Now the length from here, from the full length now, is also 36 inches. Now you're going to be folding it again into two. Now from this length now, you fold it again into two. So I am folding it into two also. So whatever peplum you are cutting, always cut. If you are using a waist of 30 inches, cut the length of 30 and the width of 30. So this is it here. After folding it into two, I have something like this. Anyhow you fold it, make sure the folded part, the center front, let it face you. Then this part whereby you fold into two, let it stay at this upper part here. Now this peplum we are cutting now is 360 degree. We have different types of peplum. We have 360, we have 180, and we have 120 degree peplum. So this one is a 360 degree peplum. Now how do you calculate? What's the measurement for calculating 360 degree peplum? Is your waist divided by 6.28. Your waist, let's say waist of 36 inches divided by 6.28. So that is how to get your waist circumference. So let's divide it. Now we are using 36. Now guys, the 36 inches, I'm going to be adding 1 inch to it for zip allowance. Let's calculate it now. 37 divided by 6.28 equals to 5.8. So I'm using 5.8 for this measurement now. So you're going to place your tape this way and you get your 5.8 on this part here. You also come to this part, the width and the length. You put your tape here and you also get your 5.89. You put your tape, just go round and get your 5.89. So that is how to get your waist circumference. Now after doing that, connect the lines together like this. Now the length for the peplum, I am using a length of 9 inches. So I'm going to be making it 10 inches because I'll use ½ inch to join it to the waist measurement. I'll also use ½ inch for the down part to turn the lining. So we are using 10 inches. So you're going to place it this way and you start marking 10 inches round. So you're going to connect your lines like this. You connect them together. Then we'll be cutting this off now. So the first thing you cut, don't cut this upper part first. Always cut the down part of your peplum before the upper part. Okay, so after cutting this now, you can now cut this one. So let's cross check if we actually have our waist measurement, if it's correct. Okay, here I have 9.5. 9.5 times 4. 9.5 times 4 equals to 38. It is still fine. The remaining one will be for zip allowance. Now if you feel the 38 is too much, what you can just do is just to go up here, not because it's a cycle, that is why it is wider. Just go up here a little by maybe 0.25 this way, and you can cut, and you cut. But I'm going to be cutting it on the actual, on this actual line. So guys, we have our peplum. Our peplum is ready. So this is the peplum. So what you just do is to just open one side. Just open one side up, because that side you open will not become your zip allowance. You have to. So I'm just going to slit here open. So your peplum will now be like this. So this is how to cut a 360-degree peplum. Subsequently, on other tutorials, maybe one of these days, I can do a tutorial for
if you want to get
720
so you can
for 180.
The only thing you just have to do is increase your waist measurement times 2. Then you cut so you can have enough space for pleating.
Like this video, share the video, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video.
See you in the next one. Bye.